Welcome to Giroto Store. With near silent belt drive and adjustable magnetic resistance, Giroto X2 is a great choice for indoor workout. It can support 280 pounds. The seat and handle
Hi, my name's Brianne, and I'm here to introduce you to the Exerputic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. Now, as a trainer, I want to let you know this is an excellent tool for shedding fat, burning calories, and increasing your cardiovascular health, all within the comfort of your own home. It is easy to store and super comfortable. All right, let's hop on and get started. First, you want to make sure that you are able to adjust those foot straps to your foot size, which is not only going to ensure comfort, but a safe ride. Starting from the ground up, you're going to be in a nice neutral position. This wide seat allows you to sit comfortably, and what I love about this bike is that you are actually in a very comfortable upright position right off the bat. You're going to grab onto the handlebars, relax your shoulders away from the ears, and keep those abs super tight. Now remember, this bike is designed for all sizes. Next, let's take a look at the monitor. Now in front of you, you have a large, easy to read, performance LCD monitor. As a trainer, there's a lot of measurables that I like to track with my workouts and my clients' workouts. In front of you, you have the ability to see your heart rate, your speed, your calorie burn, and your total time, and your distance. That allows you to not only track your workouts, but progress your workouts and hit your goals. One of my favorite features is the 8-level magnetic tension control system. This is going to allow you to challenge yourself and never get bored. But remember, as you get fitter, you got to crank up that tension to keep challenging your body. Now, as you can see, this is an absolutely incredible bike. It folds up to half its size. It's super easy to store. What are you waiting for?
Now that we're done, we can start pedaling. The soft grip handles are just another added level of comfort so you can focus on your workout. If you're looking to increase the intensity of your workout, the resistance knob is located below the panel will quickly let you choose from 8 levels of difficulty. Finally, when you're done with your workout, quickly fold the bike and store it away. It's an awesome addition to a fitness center, especially if you are working with a small space.
Bring better health into your life by bringing Schwinn into your home with the Schwinn A10 upright bike. When outdoor exercise isn't in the cards, the A10 provides a low-impact workout that strengthens your core and lower body. It's compact, yet delivers all the features you need, like a high-speed, high-inertia, perimeter-weighted flywheel for a smooth, quiet ride. Plus comfortable hand grips with heart rate contacts, 6 preset programs, 8 levels of magnetic resistance, and a fully loaded console with speakers, a large LCD window, and 8 display readings to track your progress. The Schwinn A10 is also designed with a built-in water bottle holder and media tray for your book, tablet, or phone. Compact convenience and outstanding Schwinn value. The A10 Upright. Just one more way you can count on Schwinn for the good life.
Reap the benefits of an active lifestyle with the Air Resistance Hybrid Upright Bike. Get comfortable with the thick 4-way adjustable seat and strap into the self-leveling pedals to get your workout started. The micro-adjustable belt tension works in tandem with the chain drive system and fan wheel for an intense custom ride. Push and pull on the handlebars as you pedal synchronously for a total body workout. Stay on track by viewing a variety of workout variables on the digital monitor. Transportation wheels allow you to move the fan bike from room to room. Take control of your health and maximize your results with the Air Resistance Hybrid.
Introducing the ProGear 555 LXT Magnetic Tension Recumbent Bike with Workout Goal Setting Computer. Uniquely compact to excel in tight spaces, the ProGear 555 LXT Recumbent Bike delivers a great workout and great results from its space-saving frame. As strong as it is slim due to its durable steel construction, the 555 LXT has a 250-pound weight capacity and accommodates users up to 6 foot 3 inches in height. To ensure effective and comfortable workouts, the 555 LXT features oversized pedals with secure foot straps, soft grip handlebars for pushing through intense exercises, adjustable floor stabilizers to prevent rocking and tipping. Also included is a step-through design for easy mounting and dismounting, and an extended cushioned seat for all user sizes with backrest and lower back support that can infinitely slide to lock in the perfect seat position. The 555 LXT has a widescreen LCD panel that prominently displays current speed, distance cycled, calories burned, RPM, time elapsed, and odometer. Users can select up to 14 levels of magnetic tension resistance and set 3 workout goals for distance, time, and calories burned. And finally, to complement its sleek dimensions that make it excellent for home use, the 555 LXT features a quiet drive belt system for quiet, undisruptive workout sessions. It also includes a built-in smartphone or tablet holder, a conveniently placed water bottle holder that's always within arm's reach, and transportation wheels for easy relocation. Backed with a 1-year warranty. The ProGear 555 LXT Magnetic Tension Recumbent Bike is the